Unit 12 Being a Good Citizen from World Watch Social Studies for Primary Schools Book 3. Being a good citizen is not just a legal obligation, it's a moral responsibility to contribute to the well-being of your community and society as a whole. By actively participating in the civic life of your community and upholding these principles, you can make a positive impact and help create a better society for everyone. Being a good citizen is an essential aspect of contributing to a healthy and functioning society. It involves fulfilling your civic duties and actively participating in your community to promote the common good. A. Copy and complete the sentences in your notebook. 1. Shafay could show Mrs. Ahmed kindness by helping with shopping. 2. Mrs. Ahmed could show Shafay kindness by playing or showing how to do something. 3. Dada Jan could show Emin kindness by reading a story. 4. Mrs. Ahmed could show Dada Jan kindness by listening. B. Think about showing kindness to people you know. To whom could you show kindness? How? Ans. Showing kindness to people you know is a wonderful way to strengthen your relationships and create a positive, supportive environment. Here are some ideas on whom you could show kindness to and how you can do it. Family members. Spend quality time with them, engage in meaningful conversations, and show appreciation for their support and love. Help with household chores without being asked. Listen actively when they need someone to talk to. Friends. Offer a lending ear when they need to talk or vent. Plan a surprise get-together or outing to celebrate their achievements or special occasions. Send a thoughtful message or call to check in on their well-being. Copy and complete these sentences. 1. Anam did not show respect for Mrs. Malik in the history lesson because she was not listening. 2. Mrs. Malik showed Anam respect by helping her in studies. 3. Sunita showed her respect because she helped Mogul to get up. 4. The boy did not show any respect to Sunita because the boy laughed rudely. 5. Anam was not being respectful towards Mrs. Malik at break because she whispered to Sunita during lesson. A. Copy these sentences. Then write fair or unfair after each one. 1. At a party, Rita filled her plate with food. There was not enough for everyone. Unfair. 2. Miriam's mother said, "You cannot see this film because it is frightening for children." Fair. 3. Daniel said, "Only boys should be allowed to play football." Unfair. 4. The older children said, "We'll only play fast games at one end of the playground so that we do not knock down younger children." Fair. B. I. Talk to a friend about rules for a family at home. Make a house rules chart like this. Write 3 do rules and keep your 3 don't rules. House rules. Do's. Keep your room clean. Keep the toys in the toy box. Clothes should be box kept in cupboard. Don'ts. Don't throw rubbish in the room. Don't waste water. Don't spoil food.
Thanks for watching and listening. If you like my videos, please like and share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.